Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Infobooth 19. So today we are going to see one place specific recipe. So earlier I have posted this Thuthukudi Mudalur famous Maskoth halwa, and it was one of the super hit video in my channel. So the following to that, so one of our subscriber request, per your request I have posted the Srivilliputturu Palkova recipe. Palkova is nothing but a milk sweet recipe which has only two ingredients, milk and sugar. So this Palkova is very famous in a place called Srivilliputturu, which is one of the historical town in South Tamil Nadu, which is located in Virudhunagar district. It's located 75 km from Madurai towards south. This place is very famous. It has 1000-year-old temple, 135-year-old Pennington Public Library. So these are the highlights of Srivilliputturu. And Srivilliputturu temple, it's a 11-tier tower which is 192 feet height. So this tower, the top portion, we can see it in our Tamil Nadu government logo. The place is also famous because one of the Alvar known as Andal, so who sang rhymes and praises for Lord Vishnu in Margadi month, so that had came in Tamil literature in the name of Tirupavai and also Nachiyar Tirumuri. So these things all emerged from the Srivilliputturu town only. So these are the very highlight and historical events which happened in Srivilliputturu. So one more thing is here I wanted to give special thanks to Anguraj, our friend. So he shot this nice clips of this temple for us. So to make this milk sweet or this Palkova recipe, it has only two ingredients as I told before, but the making procedure is going to take a longer time, but it's worth the try. Any traditional recipe which is very famous, if you say, it's worth giving a try, and surely if you follow the tips which is given in the video, you will get the exact texture and the exact taste. You all need to give it a try. Now let's see how to prepare this Srivilliputturu Palkova recipe. To start with, I have taken here 1 liter of milk. Ensure the milk whichever you are taking, it is cow's milk, or if you are buying packet milk, it should be full cream milk or full fat milk. Only then the Palkova recipe will be very good and you will get the creaminess texture in that. So I have taken 1 liter of milk in a wide saucepan, heavy bottom saucepan. So I have noted down the time here. Time is morning 6:25. So from now on I'm going to capture the time also, so you will be knowing exactly how to prepare it. Just keep mixing in between, otherwise what will happen, all the solid particles will settle at the bottom and it will get burnt. Now if you see, the time is 6:34, the milk started boiling. Entire recipe you need to cook it at very low flame, then only you will get the perfect texture. You need to do it with so much patience, and that too in the very low flame. So just scrape off all the solid particles and then you just mix it along with the milk. Now the time is 6:45. Close to 20 minutes had happened. The milk started getting reduced. We need to reduce the milk completely till all the liquid portion gets evaporates. Just keep stirring in between, do not leave hand. Now if you see, the time is 7 o'clock, so 35 minutes had gone over, so the milk has reduced to half the amount. Just keep mixing in between. Scrape off all the fat from the side and put it inside. So this is going to give more creaminess to the recipe. If at all you get a chance to visit the southern part of Tamil Nadu, surely go and visit the Srivilliputturu. The place is very nice, and try this Palkova recipe also. It will be packed in tiny packets. Now if you see, the time is 7:15. Almost the milk has reduced to 75%. It started getting solidified. Just keep scraping the sides and keep mixing it continuously. You can use some wooden ladle so that it will be easy for you to mix it. Now the time is 7:20, close to 55 minutes. 55 minutes. Now if you see, almost all the water liquid portion got evaporated. We are slowly going to get the consistency. In another 5 to 10 minutes our Palkova will be ready. A lot of patience is required and you need to keep mixing it to get the perfect consistency. No pain, no gain. Now if you see, almost we reached it, 90% we reached it. Now if you see, it is not sticking in pan, it is coming together well. 7:25, exactly 1 hour happened and our Palkova is ready. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add the sugar to that. So sugar, for 1 liter of milk I am adding only 3 tablespoons of sugar. Don't add more sugar or it will not taste good. So add 2 to 3 tablespoons. First you add 2 tablespoons. If you need more, then you can add extra, otherwise you can just stop it. It should not be like too much of sweet also. You can taste and see. If you want more sweetness, you can add 1 more tablespoon, but this 3 tablespoons would be more than enough for this recipe. Just keep mixing it for another 2 to 3 minutes. and our palkova will be ready. That is, a milk sweet will be ready. So either you can put in a tray with oil greased and you can cut into pieces, or you can just store it in the box like this. So since it is a milk sweet, it doesn't stay more than 10 days, so you can keep it in refrigerator. So whenever you're eating, before eating, if you heat and eat, it will be very tasty. Now all the sugar particles got melted and the consistency came like this. At this point you can turn off the stove. Other than milk and sugar, we have not added anything in this recipe. If only 2 ingredients are required. Time is 7:31 now. 1 hour 6 minutes. Our palkova is ready. Do try this yummy palkova recipe and leave your comments below. And if you know more interesting facts about this Srivilliputturu, share in the comments below. If you want your place to be discussed in our channel, please leave your thoughts in the comment box. Surely it will be considered and we can post the video on that. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Always be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody.